name is Shawna Glover, your local agent with ROVI Homes. I have a question for you. Where can you get swimming, group exercise, cycling, yoga, Zumba, chess club, all in one place? Here at the Downtown Y in the beautiful downtown Hartford.
So to start our tour, let me introduce you to Lorraine, and she's here at the welcome desk, so she knows everybody by name. She welcomes everybody. And right here we have Lanisha. Lanisha is our new member engagement coordinator. Going down to our amazing wellness center. You can find everything you need here, from medicine balls, weights, treadmills, elliptical machines, strength training equipment.
Yeah, this is so cool.
So behind me is our fabulous group exercise room. We just got these brand new bikes. Mission in Motion this is our 12th year of doing it. So on September 18th from 8 to 11 a.m. we'll be outside the building with all of our bikes out there. Look at this turf.
I know,
Look how amazing this is.
I know.
I mean, there's so much to do here. You have your sleds, you have balls, you have kettlebells. So some people like to swim as they work out. Some people just like the cardio equipment. Some like the boxing studio back here.
As you can see, I'm a professional.
We offer preschool swimming lessons, we offer youth swimming lessons, teen swimming lessons, and adult swimming lessons. Even if you don't know how to swim, we could teach you how to swim. Last summer, we were able to have 65 children from the Hartford, East Hartford community learn how to swim.
Mm-hmm. Now, I know this is a not-for-profit organization, and most people don't really know that, right? So there's a lot of fundraising that needs to go on for these amazing programs to happen. But tell me about the families that you've been able to help.
One day I was downstairs and I was looking at, there was a young man here who doesn't speak a lot of English, but he found a safe area where he could pray. It was priceless. I can't get over that, and I felt really good because he felt that the Y was a safe place for him.
Right.
He had no other family here. He left his children and wife in Afghanistan so that he could build a better life for them here and then bring them here to our country.
That's amazing. I love to hear that. It makes me feel even better to be a part of an organization that's really benefiting the community. Thank you so much for being here today with myself and Laura. This has definitely been exciting, learning all about the amazing things that they have to offer. I hope you and your family find it as beneficial as I do, as well as the community. I'm Shawna Glover with ROVI Homes, and if you're looking for an agent to learn more about this area, give me a call.